I haven't done this in a while, but welcome to episode of Damage TV. This is Damage Creator back. Oh, God. I just came back home, so please excuse me. But anyway, welcome back to another episode of Damage TV. This is Damage Creator back in another video, and we are unboxing today's package. I did a new intro for this entire series of reviews. So if you would like to check it out, you will be checking it out before this video starts. So yeah, if you like the intro, let me know in the comment section. But yeah, we got some Amazon stuff and we got some stuff from a company that I've been hearing about on my Facebook groups. So let's get the Amazon stuff out of the way. We got the beauty blender. I need another one because the last beauty blender that I had, it was light blue, similar to this color, but then at the purple up top. It dried and got brittle, and it was just not, it wasn't usable anymore. So I had to get rid of it and throw it away. So I got this. This was like, I forgot how much this cost. But this, you know, since I got like some stuff that I needed, I went Amazon crazy because I had a little point on with the gift card. So I went ahead and bought stuff that I needed. I definitely need another beauty blender because the last one got brittle and dry and just was not able to be used anymore. So this is I forgot how much this costs, but I got a discount for it, and this looks really good compared to the last one I had. This is definitely much softer. It looks durable, to be honest. I really enjoyed looking at this though. But yeah. Alright, next thing is I got a ponytail, because the last ponytail I had, it was pretty, it was everything I dreamed of, but then it was unmanageable and I lost the whatchamacallit? The pins supposed to hold it together, they broke. So had to throw it away, dude. But this one, I gotta get another one, man, because I needed another one anyway, because, you know, I finally got something that could keep my natural hair in place, and we'll talk about that in another video. And I wanted to, you know, do natural styles, and I needed to prep up for Halloween. I got a costume thing in mind, so it came in that clear packaging here. Oh my gosh, please excuse me, I got my nails done during the weekend. But yeah, it came in this clear packaging, a nice little net. I don't know how many inches this is, but this is a pretty cute. Of course, I have fucking tape. Alright, so that's nice netting. So that's really good. It's really nice and soft. It's compared to my last ponytail that I had. It's really nice and soft. If I could take it out. So the last one that I had, it was really curly. Really nice. It had really nice curl pattern. This one has a curl pattern at the end, which I love. I'm so happy to run my fingers through it, even though synthetic, you know, I don't mind having synthetic wigs or like braiding hair, but I wish this was human hair so I could, like, you know, mess with it, touch it up and stuff. I'm so happy that I can run my fingers through this, because the last one I couldn't run my fingers through this like I did. I couldn't do it. So this is pretty cute. It's in my color, which is black, which is so nice on 1B. And like I said, the curls at the bottom are just so pretty. I love it. Okay, next we have more headphones. So I'm a gamer, okay? I play video games. I like playing video games. They're pretty cool. But sometimes I run through headphones like it's nothing. And it's upsetting because I love to, you know, when I play video games, I love to, you know, have my headset and be, you know, content. So I bought some more. These are another set of big headphones. If you remember the first review that I done, I got headphones from a company that was called Yurtle. Unfortunately, Yurtle got pretty much blackballed via Facebook, and that company does not exist anymore. But yeah, check out that. That was actually the first review I did for this channel. And I got headphones, and unfortunately, the headphones, those those pink and white headphones died. Can we get this moment of silence for the RIP? Those headphones died, man, and I had to get some new ones. So I got these off of Amazon. These are really comfy. They're not like the other headphones. They're the last one had like the 360 pivot. Oh, these do have 360. Okay. Well, not the swivel thing, but it's not the front. But you know, these could be worked on. These could be worked on. Now, compared to the last ones that I had, these did not have a mic, so this is pretty good. And it's close to my fucking mouth. That's a custom good. But yeah, man, I'd get some new ones because the last ones that I had, it's an issue in itself. So that's the Amazon stuff. Next, we have something from a company known as Sheertex. They have these pantyhose that you can't like tear or get runs in them, and I want to see what these are about. Now, normally I don't wear pantyhose. If it's a special occasion, I'll wear them, but I normally don't wear pantyhose. Alright, and it says, stretch me, pull me, stomp me, just try to break me, believe in the impossible. Our sheer knit is unbreakable in human hands. Tell us what you think at Sheertex. And I'm going to check it out. Now, I'm not going to lie to you. These will become wig caps. I'm not going to lie. Oh, wow. These are really durable. But could these fit on my head? I don't know. But if these are not, like, big enough to fit my head, because I got a big head. I ain't gonna lie to you. I got a big head. If these are not big enough to fit my head, then I'll just wear them in socks. I'm not that pressed to wear these as a wig cap. But, yeah. I think this is small. They're really, really small. But I don't have small feet, so that's crazy. But, yeah. These are actually quite, they remind me of dome caps, to be honest. Speaking of dome caps, I think I have one of my dome caps with me, but I don't know if I have them. So, this is Sheertex right here. Really nice. I'm sorry for the small camera bull crap, because the camera app that I normally use is not working today. So, you gotta deal with this. You gotta deal with OBS. With some I need to use from now on. It smells weird. So, the Sheertex is actually pretty good. I actually might see myself buying some of these. So the Sheertex is good. So yeah, these aren't really bad, you know. Should I don't know, man. Should I put this on that? Oh, shoot. Now, that's the real test. Can these be good wig caps? And the answer to that is no. Yeah, so the wig cap thing was a fail. But other than that, these are really good. It's not a bad one. You can tell from the texture that they're not terrible. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and share the video, and click the notification bell so you know if I have all of my videos. Those were the main reviews I had to get out of the way, because I haven't done any in so long. It's just like we need to like get them out like sooner and quicker. But yeah, I will see you all next time.